the blissful heartbeat of the Maldives. We found bliss in the glowing sunsets, lush nature, ivory sand, and lightly shimmered waters of the Maldives. As a company born and based here, we're always mindful of our surroundings and the need to preserve our glorious nature beauty. We work closely with our partners to minimize the effect on the environment, ensuring the well-being of the local community and everyone traveling here. We stopped counting how many years we've been together as a company. For us, Bliss Maldives seems like an infinity. But then it's not just our job, but our vocation. And that feeling lasts forever. What is it that makes us who we are? What exactly is the touch we all brings? We have an energy that pulls people together. We are not just a company, we are a constellation of like-minded partners, of strong connections, of a stress-free, supportive community, all on the same wave. That human touch is what unites us. Thank you so much for being part of Bliss Maldives and for sharing our journey. Wherever you are, however long we know each other, you are such an integral part of everything we do. This year, a new star is born as we extend and deepen our circle with Bliss Ultima. Happy anniversary to us! Here's to many more years of synergy together.